Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create left border in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Firstly then show the Google Sheets is the page this create from the left border. Now create left border, select from the area. Now going to the menu option, now click for the borders option. Now click for the left option, left border. That's it. Then show the current left border. Then again another place, select. Now going to the borders option. Now click for the left border option. Now for click. That's it. Then show the current left border in Google Sheets document. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.